Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. A rough movement on the day, pullback from, really not necessarily just today, but it all started on Monday. Had the price up around this area. And then when it rolled back over on Monday morning, essentially that is just, continue to play out with the downwards momentum. And I get it, downwards momentum, that's one thing to say, but the nice thing about charts is it allows you to actually kind of qualify and quantify, sound bites such as downwards momentum. And really the most straightforward way to measure and to keep an eye and visualize this downward momentum is with that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So yes, as time goes by, this line is going to move itself further and further downwards. If you want to, you can just look at that as a trend line that's going to draw itself for you. So therefore, yes, as long as the price is below that quote-unquote trend line that's in a downwards direction, then the overall price, is being controlled by the bears. So like I said, as far as just measuring all those sound bites from the bearish side of things, just continue to watch that purple line, and as long as the price remains below it, then you have to give the benefit of the doubt until the bears. Because, yeah, there can be some solid movements. I mean, right here was a nice solid movement to the upside, but that whole time it stayed below that purple line. Actually, that's right what rejected it. And then the price from there rolled back over. So that is definitely the overall trend indicator. Now, if the price gets up there and just crushes up through it, well, then at that point, the landscape of the chart starts to, turn around quite a bit, and you can start to have a lot more discussions about maybe the bulls are back and maybe this is the beginning of much bigger movement to the upside. But as of right now, any sort of price movements to the upside should be looked at pretty skeptically given the overall context of bearishness. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, want to offer up a little bit more context here by squeezing down the chart. So the first key level to keep an eye on, and nothing fancy behind this, is right up here around the 98-cent mark. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see 98 cents did a good job of acting as support several occasions before, and once again is doing a good job of holding strong there. In the event 98 cents does not quite hold up, then the next key level of support after that will be down there around the 92-cent mark. So 98 and 92, next couple of areas of support going forward. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. Quick before you go, I'm not going to give you a big fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful at all, then I'm very confident you would find this live web class that I've put together quite beneficial. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just look at the link in the description area. It is truly live. There's a question and answers. It's very interactive. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.